Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the 3D copying. 3D copy, another operation of the system, and this allows the user to copy operations, bodies, or 3D construction elements, or even sets, collections of faces. This is a very basic command. Instead of being done in 2D, where you pick a point, a target point, a source point, and then a target point, and the elements that you want to copy, you will apply this principle to the 3D space. But the principle, it is exactly the same. So to apply this command, the same group operations under 3D model, and then copy. First thing to do is to choose the element to copy, the element or the elements, and you can choose from this set of things. So I want to copy this guy here, and then we can choose to select source local coordinate system, or pick a point to create a source coordinate system. So if I say select source, I can say this one, and I can say put it in this one, and the relative distance will be maintained. You can work with this on another way, which is select the element and then choose a point for creating the LCS and apply this to here. Okay, it is basically the same, but with the option to create the LCS when you choose a point. You have a couple of functions also to apply a symmetry using the LCS, so you can apply symmetry through these options. You can copy it or not, and you among according to the functions you have, you can have possibilities to move only, copy, or copy and unite. And these two functions here, the count copies, this is for the boom. So each of the elements will count as one copy when you create the boom, and you can separate to solids if you have other operations inside this solid, so you can separate them, each operation for each solid. So it's another possibility. But the 3D copy, it's very easy to use, very useful also. And I hope that this quick explanation, it is enough to clarify how to work and what to achieve with this 3D copy.